Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to schedule direct messages on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the messages icon in the top right corner. Then select an existing conversation or start a new one. Once you have the chat open, type the message you want to schedule. Instead of sending it right away, press and hold the send button until the scheduling menu appears. Next, use the sliders to set the date and time you want your message to be delivered. When you are happy with your selection, tap Send at scheduled time to confirm. After scheduling, you will notice a scheduled message indicator at the bottom of the chat. If you tap on it, you will be able to see all your scheduled messages along with their delivery times. If you need to make any changes, simply press and hold the scheduled message. This will give you options to send it immediately, copy the text, or delete it before it is sent. Once the scheduled time arrives, your message will be sent automatically, so you do not have to worry about anything else. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule direct messages on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.